Okay, I'd say the ladder's ready. Here's one of the short pieces. Here's the main piece. I even put the holes in and the screws in, so this gets screwed into the roof, and then this pushes down to put the support onto the edges. Not sure how that's going to work, but we'll see. And then here are the short pieces. So once you put a short piece on, this goes down and you screw it in, so that ties all the short ones together and with the long one. Let's see, the only thing I really just need to take the screw gun. So I'm ready to load it up and try it out. And it hopefully works really good. It makes me feel comfortable up there because it's a long ways up, but I built it well. This was kind of heavy here, but not unreasonable. So I'll be able to carry it up the stairs. And then these little guys aren't bad at all. And the hinges are all secured well. Okay, let's try it. Let's load it up.